Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Tonight I'm staying at a truck stop. It's gonna get in the low 13s, I think, for temperature. I'm gonna show you guys how I set up my truck, and I'm gonna try to survive the night without using the heater. Also, we'll be making a quick snack for dinner. I'm gonna make a bagel, ham and cheese. All right guys, so stay tuned. I'll show you guys how I set up my office for watching videos and gaming and stuff. There you can see my laptop. I'm gonna set up the blanket so I don't have to do it later. I can just jump right in bed. This is a regular house blanket. It's not a sleeping bag or anything like that. We'll put on our reflectix a little bit. Now the coldest that I've slept in here so far was probably last night, which reached 22 degrees. And I had no problem, no issue. It stays warm in the 4Runner. All right, it's ready to go. Stay tuned, and we'll go ahead and make a bagel sandwich in a minute. And again, the temps today are supposed to be 13 degrees in the middle of the night. What the temps are right now, let me go check. All right guys, temp right now is 33 degrees. Ouch. And I feel it in my hands. Super cold, but I'll get warmed up with cooking. All right, lock that in. Get this pan on there, butter. For a minute, get it warm. Sorry, it's just a truck stop tonight. I haven't been able to get to a campsite in a few days. I'm kind of waiting on some medicine to get to this local Walgreens right here. So I'm kind of like sitting put. Luckily for me though, this truck stop, as you saw in the video, it's kind of wide open, and I think it's very safe. And you know, I'm left alone. Nothing out here to bother me. Pretty quick and easy. Grilled ham and cheese on a bagel. Well, there you go, guys. We've set up the car. It's ready for me to sleep in. I ate my ham and cheese snack. So I'm gonna watch a couple more videos, and then when I hop in bed, I'll wish you guys a good night.
A right spot here, and Bailey Zappi's the quarterback, but I'm gonna still go with Mac Jones when he gets back and ready to go. I agree with you, but I know but.
Now, I am not good with being in front of a video camera. I'm trying the best I can, but that's pretty much how I get in. Take all this off. Pop my laptop open. Watch some videos before I go to bed. And this is me all cozy in my bed. All right, guys, I guess that's it for this video. I survived the night. It got down to 13 last night, and this truck did awesome. Thank you for coming, showing some support. Hope to see you guys next week.